here are gathered here in large numbers, but the Delhi police has repeatedly warned them that there is a Section 144 that has been imposed here, and they are not allowed to protest here. So we'll have to wait and see what action is taken here and after. In fact, there are a number of buses at the ready as well here, presumably to detain the leaders if they do not disperse soon. But as of now,
multiple opposition leaders currently staging a protest at Vijay Chowk. Parallelly, we see a Congress protest being staged at the AICC headquarters as well, and several Congress supporters, I believe, at the moment are being detained. They're, of course, raising this voice against Rahul Gandhi's conviction and sentencing in a 2019 defamation case by a court in Gujarat. Tetri joining us with more details. What's happening there, Tetri?
Well, absolutely. These are the protest visuals live we are giving you just in front of the Congress office, and these are all the Karyakartas of Congress who are protesting, and they are also being detained. We'll also try to speak to a few of these protesters about what is their demand and what they have to say on this. What is your demand? क्यों आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं?
हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं जो तानाशाही चल रही है, तानाशाही सरकार के खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट है।
This is the protest against the government is what these people are saying. We'll try to speak to more people.
हम राहुल गांधी की आवाज दबने नहीं देंगे। पूरी महिला कांग्रेस हरियाणा राहुल गांधी जी के साथ खड़ी है। ये झूठ बोलता है मोदी, जो इसने वादा किया था अब लोगों को है ना झूठ बोल देश को बचाएंगे, चोरों को भगाएंगे, देश को बचाएंगे।
These are the protesters who are being detained, and these are the other side of the visuals that we are showing you just in front of the Congress office. And remember that this is the another protest apart from the protest that is taking place just in front of the Parliament, because we have seen that again in front of the Parliament Congress protesting, but here are the Congress protesters of the Yuva Congress, Mahila Morcha, and apart from that the NSUI is also a part of this protest. These are the Mahila Congress protesters who are being detained.
आगे
क्या मांगे आपकी? किस
हमारे ये मांगे है कि मोदी सरकार ने हमारे ऊपर ना जो अत्याचार कर रहा है और इतनी महंगाई बढ़ा रही जिससे हम सब परेशान हैं।
So these are the female protesters, women protesters who are being detained again, and I would like to give you a 360-degree view from this Congress office about how the security is heavily deployed. The police is heavily deployed over here, and remember that this is again the protest. You can see the posters over there. There they are saying that Rahul Gandhi won't apologize, and they are saying that we all Rahul Gandhi, and that they are all with Rahul Gandhi. Their demand is all against the government is what they are saying, that they are protesting just because they want to show their anger, their protest just to what the government is doing as of now. In the Parliament also we have seen that the protests are going on. We'll also try to speak to few protesters, in fact, who are here at the other side of the barriers over here. Let's try and have a word with them. What is your demand and how would you like to put it forward?
I would like to say Rahul Gandhi is innocent. He is trapped by the government. So I want to say that Rahul Gandhi, please, we are all with you. Please, Modi government, please understand, try to understand.
Protest का कारण क्या है?
प्रोटेस्ट का कारण आपको पता ही है कि जो ये तानाशाही चल रही है ये किस लिए है। आज से पहले 75 सालों में इस तरीके की कोई ये आया ही नहीं है फैसला, जो इन्होंने कोर्ट से जो करवाया है फैसला, ये फैसला सिर्फ सूरत से ही क्यों आया है, क्वेश्चन ये बनता है। हाँ जी,
तो आप लोगों का ये जो प्रोटेस्ट है कब तक जारी रहेगा?
जब तक अभी तक तो अभी हम हैं, जब तक राहुल जी आते नहीं है, जब तक हम हैं यहाँ 5 बजे तक हम हैं यहाँ पर अभी।
कब तक चालू रहेगा आपका प्रोटेस्ट?
देखिए, जब तक ये फाशिस्ट ताकतें बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर के द्वारा जो संविधान बनाया गया है उसको खंडित करती रहेंगी तो कांग्रेस का कार्यकर्ता सड़कों पर रहेगा। मुझे किसी शायर की 4 लाइनें याद आती हैं कि कहा गया है सुना गया है कोई ना बोले, कहा गया है सुना गया है कोई ना बोले, ज़बा दराजों को मशवरा है कोई ना बोले, अजीब नुकनत पसंद हाकिम से वास्ता है, जो चाहता है जो सोचता है कोई ना बोले। लेकिन उस हाकिम को हम ये बता देना चाहते हैं हम महात्मा गांधी के वंशक हैं, हम नाथूराम गोडसे की विचारधारा को मानने वाले नहीं हैं।
this is the message that they are giving from the Congress office, these protesters. You can see the visuals over there. The protesters are holding the flag, and as I mentioned earlier, that these are not just the Congress protesters, but apart from that, the NSUI, the Indian Youth Congress, the Congress Youth, and
so
apart from that,
protest there at the Vijay Chowk and outside the AICC headquarters in the national capital. Many of them are being detained by the police. This action has now been initiated because Section 144 has now been imposed, has now rendered these protests as illegal. We'll continue to get you those live updates. In the meantime, we'll be heading into a short break.